Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
You're signed in, now go straight to Settings, click the gear at the top right. Once there, choose Accounts or Mail Accounts depending on your layout. You need to pick the email identity to edit. Select the address whose display name you want to change. Make sure you have the exact name you want to show to recipients. This step prepares the identity record so changes apply only to outgoing messages, not received mail, and prevents confusion between user and organization display names. Once the identity panel is open, locate the display name field labeled Name or From Name and replace the existing text with the new name. You're changing what recipients see, therefore type it precisely, including capitalization and spacing. After editing, click Save or Update and watch for verification prompts. Some accounts require you to confirm via a verification email or re-authentication. Make sure you complete those steps. Otherwise, messages may still show the old name or be blocked by strict. You've saved the new name, now send a test email to verify how recipients see it. If the name didn't update, try clearing browser cache, logging out and back in, or resaving the identity. Sometimes the web client lags. Make sure there are no organization or admin policies overriding personal identities. If so, contact your administrator to change the global setting. If emails still show the old name, check any connected client's account settings, because desktop or mobile apps may override Zoho's online identity.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.